Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to use the Adobe Firefly to generate the image. How to do that, so without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So guys, in the previous time I was only knowing that Adobe usually help us to read the PDF, or if we would like to, for example, edit the audio, we will use the Adobe Audition, or the photo editing, we will use the Adobe Photoshop. But surprisingly, that this Adobe will also help you to generate the image. And here I will open this Adobe Firefly, and here I also prefer to open or access it via website in my PC to get more spacious view. And don't forget to do the login first with your email. And this will be the page of this Adobe Firefly, and you can continue to click this, go to Firefly, and this will be the section that will help us to generate the image. And not only the image, because this Adobe Firefly will help us to generate the video and also the vector. And if you scroll down, then will be several tools like text to image, text to video, boards to generate image or upload your own, and start remixing on a board. And also it can help you to transform the text into the vector, translate the video, and also generate the text into the sound effects. And if you go to scroll down, then you will see the another creations from another users. Isn't that very beautiful and stunning, right? So let's try to generate the image. For example, you can start to put your prompt over here like this: a man with Mexican attire. After you put the prompt over here and click generate, and it will direct you into this section. And you can also do the general settings like the model, aspect ratio, content type, visual intensity, composition, style, and also the effect, guys. And also the color and tone, lighting, and camera angle. And let's see the generation result. For example, you can see this. Isn't that the picture is very clear and also very natural and realistic? And don't worry, because you can also download this picture. You can simply click this, and as you can see, there are no any watermark on the corner. And if you would like to open this or do the editing with the Adobe Photoshop via website, you can click this and it will direct you into the Adobe Photoshop. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this Adobe Firefly to create your project. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.